In this video, I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day on a keto diet. So let's get started with breakfast. Okay, so I have a cup of organic coffee. Okay, then next I'm gonna make my bulletproof keto coffee. I need 1 teaspoon of organic extra virgin coconut oil. So I will use 1 teaspoon of butter, organic. And I'm gonna use 10 drops of organic liquid stevia. Then I'm gonna simply add my coffee and blend it for a few seconds. So it's lunchtime now. I'm gonna show you how to prepare a very quick and easy keto meal. I'm gonna make some salad. And by the way, this is a meal for 2. So I'm gonna fry 2 organic burger steaks and I'm gonna fry them in butter. And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. I'm gonna peel off some garlic. Okay, so the meat is finished. And I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. And as well some balsamic vinegar that doesn't have sugar added. And some walnuts. And then salt and pepper for the salad. And then it's important to mix the salad really well. So that's how it looks. And then adding some goat cheese. So the meal is ready. Looks like this. And now I'm gonna make a little dessert. Some chia seeds, then some kefir. By the way, it doesn't have any sugar in it. And then I'm gonna use stevia, and I'm gonna add around 15 drops to each. By the way, this is amazing, it's toffee flavor. And I'm gonna prepare a few strawberries. And I'm gonna make some barley grass juice powder. So I'm using Nave Organics barley grass juice powder. I'll just add some water for 2. And around 2 teaspoons of this green powder. I'm not gonna blend it, I'm only gonna shake it. And that should be enough. Okay, so that's done. That's barley grass juice. Tastes really good. Cheers! Okay, so now it's time to cook dinner. I'm gonna make again a very quick and easy keto meal. So I'm gonna bake some vegetables in the oven and as well make a salad. So I'm gonna use 1 full courgette and around 1/3 of aubergine. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil and some butter and some salt and pepper. Okay, so this will go to the oven for around 20 minutes. And somewhere before the end, I'm gonna add some cheese on top. Okay, so I'm cooking it on 190 degrees Celsius. Okay, and I'm also gonna make a keto salad. Okay, that's my favorite salad, mash. Okay, 1 avocado. And I'll press some garlic. And then again some extra virgin olive oil. Balsamic vinegar without sugar. Some salt. And again, I have to mix it very well. Okay, that's the finished salad. Okay, here's how the finished salad looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna cook my meat and as well add some cheese on top of vegetables. 1 teaspoon of butter. And I'm gonna use this goat cheese. This goes back. Again, some organic beef steaks. Okay, and again, I'm gonna season it with some pepper, pink salt, and some dried parsley. And while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna make chia desserts again. And this time I'm gonna use this amazing goat's kefir. It's organic. Okay, it's enough of the steak because I don't want it fully done. And this time I'm gonna use simple stevia. Okay, I'll put 10 drops. And I'm gonna add some frozen berries. Okay, so now everything's ready. Okay, so that's it. This is my low-carb keto dinner. Okay, so this is my amazing keto meal. It's really delicious. And make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.